Hi, welcome to Walton Haven Model Railway. This week I've been doing a bit more ballasting around the Chapel Halt area on one side of the main line from there to there, as well as continuing a bit more down this section here. I've also been working on the race section, the embankment from the bridge, give it a paint and a coat of scatter. I've also been working on the upper level station. The ramps at the end, the Scaledale versions were pointed, and I just wanted a standard straight ramp. So what I did was cut a platform in half, then chop the base off so that it then sloped down. Did that for both ends. Then filled the back in so it was level, so that the station building will sit just off the back of the platform. Give it a coat of sculptor mould, painted it, and then covered it in scatter. Again, a bit more ballasting, just to try and make this look a bit more finished. This is going to be Whitedale Station. I didn't realise until after I named it there is an actual place called Whitedale with a station, but it's not the same. This is a fantasy one. Thank you for watching Walton Haven Model Railway. Goodbye.